So 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 and so on. Yeah. In this case, the procedure is different here. 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 plus and so on here. Here 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 and so on. Therefore, the nth term should be n into n plus 1 here. N into n plus 1. So 1 upon 1 into 2 can be written as 1 upon 1 minus of 1 divided by 2. Okay, because just observe here. 1 upon 1 into 2 means 1 upon 1 minus of 1 divided by 2 here. Here LCM is 1 into 2 becomes 2 here. Multiply 2 here and 1 here. Therefore 2 minus of 1. 2 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2 here. 2 and 2 cancels. Remaining is what here? 1 here. Okay, so sorry. Here numerator 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2. Therefore, here 1 upon 1 into 2 is 1 by 2 itself. Therefore, you can write like this here. Then plus 1 upon 2 into 3 is that. 1 upon 2 into 3 means 1 upon 2 minus of 1 by 3 here. Because 2 into 3 is LCM here. So 6 LCM, 2 3s are and 3 2s are. 3 minus 2 gives 1 divided by 6 here. So 2 3s are 6. So again 1 by 6 something. Therefore, this is equal to this here. Therefore, this can be written as 1 upon 2 minus of 1 upon 3 here plus. Here 1 upon 3 into 4 can be written as 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 4 here. Because 3 into 4 is also 3 into 4. 4 1s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 becomes what here? 1. So it gives this. Then plus. Continue here. This can be written as 1 upon n minus of 1 divided by n plus 1 here. Okay. This can be written in this form. 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 Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancels. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 cancel. Minus 1 by 4. The next term contains plus 1 by 4. Those two get cancels. And 1 upon n and its previous term contains minus 1 by n. Those two get cancels. Remaining only these two here. Therefore, this is equal to 1 minus of 1 upon n plus 1 here. Okay, ಇದೆ minus 1 by 4 ಇದೆ. ಈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಅವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 upon n ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ minus 1 upon n ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Therefore, LCM is what here? LCM is n plus 1 here. Multiply n plus 1 here. n plus 1 minus 1 here. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancels here. So n into n divided by n plus 1. N upon n plus 1. This gives us sum to n terms of this series. Sum to n terms of the series is n divided by n plus 1. So find the sum to 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square and so on up to 20 square here. So just observe here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square and so on here plus 19 square plus 20 square here. Actually, we want only sum to these terms here. 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square and so on. So you know that sum of all the elements is S of 20. S 20. Okay. and here sum to these numbers is s of 4 here. S of 4. Therefore, here this gives s20 minus s4 here. This gives what here? s20 minus of s4. Okay. From here to here, this is s20. From here to here, this is s4. Actually, we want sum from this number to this number. Yes, this gives s20 minus s4 here. Okay. Therefore, take your solution. We know that Sn is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6n. Okay, this is the formula. I am using this formula here. Therefore, 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square and so on plus 20 square is equal to s20 minus of s4. Okay, we want only this sum to these numbers, yes, sum of these numbers. Therefore, this gives what here? s20 minus s4 here. Therefore, this is equal to s20 means put n equal to 20 here. Okay, so 20 into 20 plus 1 into 2 into 20 plus 1 divided by 6 here. Divided by 6 minus. So, right here minus. Then s4. Okay. So next s4 means output n equal to 4 here. 4 into 4 plus 1 into 2 into 4 plus 1 divided by 6 here. Divided by 6. Therefore, this is equal to 20 into 20 plus 1 becomes 21. 22 is 40 plus 1 41 divided by 6 here. Then plus. Then 4 minus here, minus sign there, right here minus sign. 4 into 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9 divided by 6 here. Divided by 6. You can make cancels here. So 2 3s are. Then 2 10s are. 3 1s are. 3 7s are. Again you can divide here. 2 3s are. 2 2s are. 3 1s are. 3 3s are. Therefore 10 into 7 into 41 minus of 2 into 5 into 3. That is equal to. Here 41 into 7. So 41 into 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28 here. Into 10 here. It gives 2870. Product of these numbers 2870 minus. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Minus of 30. Therefore, this minus of this gives 2840. Sum of these numbers gives 2840 is the answer here. So next here 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus and so on here. Therefore, first write here nth term here. Okay. So nth term is Tn is equal to, result of the 3, 6, 9 and so on here. So 3, 6, 9 and so on, they are in AP here. They are in AP because the difference is the same here. 6 minus 3 is a 3, 9 minus 6 also 3. Difference is the same, therefore they are in AP. Therefore first term is a 3 here. And a common difference is also 3. Hence Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula here. Therefore this equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 3 here. Then 3 plus 3 into n becomes 3n minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancels. Remaining is what here? 3n here. So right here 3n. Next 8, 11, 14 and so on. So 8, 11, then 14 are in AP here. They are in also AP. Because the difference is the same here. 11 minus 8 becomes 3. 14 minus 11 is 3. Difference is same here. Therefore they are in AP. Therefore A is equal to 8. D is equal to 3n. So therefore Tn use the same formula. 8 plus n minus 1 into 3n. That is 8 plus 3n minus of 3. Then 3n 8 minus 3 becomes 5. Hence 3n plus 5. 3n plus 5. Is that also here? If you put n equal to 1, we get this one here. 3 1s are 3. Okay. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 5 becomes 8. Put n equal to 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 becomes 11. Put n equal to 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 5 becomes 14. And so therefore nth term should be 3n into 3n plus 5. Next take 3n inside the bracket here. 3 3s are 9 into n square plus 5 3s are 15. So 15 n here. Yes, Sn is equal to summation of Tn here. That is a summation of 9n square plus 15 n here. 9n square plus 15n. So 9 is a constant here. 9 into summation n square, then a plus 15 is a constant. 15 into summation of n here. That is equal to 9 into summation of n square formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here, then plus. Then 15 into n into summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2n divided by 2. Then you can cancel 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 here, cancels here. Then this is equal to here 3 n into n plus 1, even here also 3 into n plus 1 common factor divided by 2 also. So 3 into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the common factor here. Here 3 common factor, n is a common, n plus 1 is common, 2 also common. Remaining here only 2n plus 1 here. 2n plus 1, right in the bracket plus. Then here 3 common factor here. Remaining is a 5, so write here 5. n into n plus 1 by 2 common. n into n plus 1 by 2 common. So only 5 is the remaining term here. Therefore this is equal to 3n into n plus 1 divided by 2n into bracket. So 2n plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 becomes 6n. 2n plus 6. Take the two common factor here. Therefore, 3n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 2 is a common factor here. 2 common factor n plus 3n. N plus 3. Then this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. Therefore, this equal to 3n into n plus 1 into n plus 3. So this sum to n terms of this series. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on here. Therefore, nth term should be in the form of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square. Okay, nth term. Here this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Therefore, nth term should be in this formula. Okay, and you know this formula, second formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Divided by 6 is equal to. Okay, multiply these terms here. What terms are here? N plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So write n as it is. N into 2n is 2n square. N into 1 is n here. 1 into 2n plus 2n. 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. So n into 2n square plus 3n plus 1. Take n inside a bracket. 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. Therefore, 1 by 6 is a constant here. Then the multiplication of these numbers gives us 2n cube here plus 3n square plus n here plus 1. So this is equal to 1 upon 6 into 2 into summation of n cube plus 3 into summation of n square plus summation of n. Summation of n. So this equal to 1 upon 6 here into summation of n cube here. Summation of n cube is this one. So n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here. Then plus 3 into summation of n square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2n divided by 2. We can cancel here 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancels. 3 ones are 3 2s are get cancels here. So n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2. Take a common factor here. 1 by 6 is there. Right here 1 by 6 into n into n plus 1 divided by 12. Into bracket n into n plus 1 is the remaining term here. N into n plus 1. And here 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. And here remaining term is only 1 here. So plus 1. Bracket complete here. So here 6 2s are 12 here. So n into n plus 1 divided by 12 into bracket. N into n is n square plus n into 1 is n here plus 2n plus 2n. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Therefore, this is equal to n into n plus 1 into here n square. Then n plus 2n becomes a 3n here plus 2 whole divided by this 12 here whole divided by 12. And it is a quadratic equation here. So n square plus 3n plus 2. Product should be 2, sum should be 3 here. Two numbers are 2 and 1 here. So n square plus 2n plus n plus 2n. N is the common factor. So n plus 2 here. 1 is the common factor. N plus 2. Then n plus 2 common here. N plus 2 is a common factor. Remaining is a n plus 1. So this is equal to this here. So using n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 12. So this is equal to this using this here. Therefore n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole square n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 divided by 12. So this is also sum to n terms of this series is this one.